Hey guys, we're going to read another story today using long vowels, short vowels, special sounds, and sight words. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's look at our title first. Remember, you're going to need a pencil for this so that we can mark. All right? Right here in the title, the first word we see is the, so we know that we put it in a box. Okay? Next, we come over and we look and we see how many vowels. One. Go ahead and mark that one vowel with a smile and let's sound it out. W, et, wet. Great job. Okay, over here we see two vowels. We know the first one gets a line because it talks. The second one gets marked through because it stays silent. Ready? Let's sound that out. Goat, goat. Now let's read that title. The Wet Goat. Great job. Okay, starting off our sentence, we see I. We know that it is a sight word. Go ahead and box it in. Okay, now let's look at the next word. We see a short E because there's only one. We mark it with a smile. Et, set. Here we see one vowel. Go ahead and mark it with a smile. Let's sound it out. Im, him. Here we see one vowel. Mark it. Sound it out. In. Next, we see sight word put it in a box. And then here we see the short sound U. Tub. Let's read that sentence together with our pointer finger. I set him in a tub. Okay, here we see I again. Go ahead and put it in a box. Then we see two vowels. Line, mark it out because it's silent. Ready? Made. Good job. Here we see another special sound. Sight word the. All right. Here we see two vowels. We know this word is goat because we did it earlier, so we're going to go ahead and mark it out. All right. Here we see a short E. Go ahead and mark the short E. Get. Okay. Here, this is a sight word because the S makes this sound. His. Okay. Coming down here, we see two vowels. We know the first one does the talking. The second one stays quiet. All right. And is another sight word, so we're going to put it in a box. Here, we see a long vowel. Put a line over the O. Mark through the A because it stays silent. Let's sound that word out. Coat. Great job. All right. Here we see one vowel. We go ahead and mark it with a smile. Let's sound it out. Wet. Great job, boys and girls. Now, let's put our pencil down and let's read this together. Ready? The wet goat. I set him in a tub. I made the goat get his feet and coat wet. Great job. So, where did the goat sit? In the tub, that's right. And what did the goat get wet? His feet and his coat. Now, in real life, did goats really take a bath like the goat in that picture? No. Okay, boys and girls, I would like for you to read this story with your parents so that you can get extra practice. I love and I miss you. And remember, keep practicing.